If well, hello everybody. If you want to install Erlang and Elixir via ASDF, this is the way I did it. I thought on sharing it with you. I won't be doing it real time because I already did this process, but since I have this in the history, well, don't worry about writing this from the video because they will be available. These commands will be available in the description from this video. And there are some, if you want to avoid some issues, you might want to install first the dependencies for Erlang and Elixir. And there is a video on how to install Erlang 26 on Debian 12 in this channel. The video will be linked again in the video description. And we did install Erlang from source. We compiled Erlang from source. And so we were in the need to install all the dependencies. And we already have them installed. But if you don't have the dependencies installed, please take a look at that video and install the dependencies. And then you stop when it's the time to download Erlang from the website. While you stop in that step, and you just make sure to install the dependencies and then go back to this video with the dependencies installed. And you will use this. I have another monitor here, and my laptop webcam is here. That's what I say. I have this command, but in reality, I have also the command available over here. You're seeing this command in the screen. It's about cloning ASDF in its version 14, but you might want to download the latest version. Take a look at their GitHub website, so you can have the latest version. So you clone the repository. This command, it will be available in the description. Then, well, I performed this command list to see the downloaded file. I make I made this directory, but it is not necessary. The steps the organized steps in its final version will be available in the description. So you clone the repository. And this is about nbin. I am configuring nbin. Let me see what's going on here. Yes, what's happening here is that you're cloning the repository in local hidden directory starting with a dot ASDF. So the directory is created in this step. Okay. And then you list all the Erlang versions with this command. But in here, I encountered an error saying that we don't have any Erlang plugin installed, so we can't perform this list of Erlang. And then I added the Erlang plugin with this command. Okay, ASDF plugin add Erlang and the Git repository. Yeah. And then we were able to see all the versions available of Erlang throughout ASDF. Again, this will be organized in the video description. Please take a look. In here it seems like a little bit unorganized because I am, going upwards, downwards. But yeah, you're listing all the available versions, and then I installed the Erlang 27 .01 and make sure that this command, the list all, will present you all the available versions, and you get to choose the version you want to install. Please make sure that the Elixir version is compatible with the Erlang version that you are trying to install. You can see that in the Elixir website. And here we installed Erlang 27 with this command. And then I make sure that that we have this the version was installed. Remember, we have installed 26 over here in this machine. I haven't removed that installation that we did manually. And then with this command, you set the Erlang version globally. But you might want to take a look at how to do it locally for some project. I'm not part of any given team right now, so it doesn't matter if I do it globally or not. So I choose global. And now the ERL was working. And then the same process with Elixir, ASDF plugin at Elixir, and this GitHub URL to the Elixir plugin, and I list all the Elixir versions, and I installed the 1.17.2 with OTP 27, which is the one we have installed for Erlang, remember, 27. And again, setting the global version for Elixir. And now Elixir was working. So that's how you install Erlang and Elixir on Debian using ASDF. Yeah, I will recommend this process because you get to install several versions if you need it. And remember, these steps will be in order in the video description. Thank you very much. Bye.